Hi, welcome to Charismindful. I'm Dr. Amy Miltich.
I'm Matthew Hill.
We're in the middle of our series on combating stress and creating a situation where we're not left with trauma after this pandemic is over.
How to survive the pandemic.
How to survive the pandemic emotionally. So if you've not seen the other videos in this series, you can click here to watch the others. This video is about numbing out versus mindfulness. So that is one of the pitfalls or one of the things that sets the stage for lingering trauma when we're faced with something that's adverse and we choose to numb ourselves out versus being mindful of the situation.
Being present.
So yes, so in order to be mindful and stay in the present, we need to stay in sync with ourselves and with others. So obviously, if we numb out using addictions or avoidance or all of those things, substances, domestic abuse is up, all of those things, we're not mindful of our surroundings. So we want to try to be mindful. And one of the ways we stay mindful is to pay attention to ourselves, which if you haven't done a lot of mindfulness training, you're not aware of it, it's really just stopping to observe your surroundings and yourself and your feelings in those surroundings.
Without judgment.
Without judgment. Right. And kind of accepting whatever the feeling is. So sometimes that takes a little bit of training, and I will say we will add some meditation and some mindfulness after we get through this series, but right now I want to get this information out first. There are lots of meditation and mindfulness videos on the web all over the place, so we will make it easy. But if you want to go ahead, you can find it out there readily. Stay mindful, stay in the moment. If you have a hard time with that, you can ask someone else to observe you. Hey, do I seem stressed? What does it seem like I'm going through?
Am I watching TV for 8 hours a day?
Right. Or, and sometimes people will make that observation, whether you like them to or not. You're like, hey, by the way, I've noticed all the liquor is gone. So maybe cut down on that. Maybe you're numbing out a little too much. When we numb out, we're not able to look at the chaos and we're not able to make good decisions based on what's going on in the moment. So right now we need some of my patients I talk to in private practice. I say sometimes you need to narrow the stimulus field. If you're like, I have all of this stuff going on, all this chaos, and I'm not sure what to do. Okay, what do you need to do right now? What's in front of you today, in this hour, in this moment? And focus on that.
Airtight compartment, one day.
So the more we can practice mindfulness in this time, the less likely we will be to numb out or avoid what's going on. The other thing that I want people to be aware of is, when we're in stressful times like this, in addition to being mindful and using mindfulness, we need to be compassionate with ourselves.
Loving to ourselves.
Loving and just compassionate. I mean, if you feel angry because you lost your job, or maybe you're angry because you lost your schedule and now your children are home full time and maybe your spouse is around all the time, or whatever it is, and you feel angry, that is okay. It is okay to feel angry. Acknowledge the anger. And then ask yourself, how is it helping you in this situation? Like, it serves a purpose. I mean, clearly don't go out and harm someone because you're feeling angry, but is the anger motivating you to do something? Is the sadness helping you, get through the loss? Is it helping you focus on something to get through the day? All of those things are okay. So, go easy on yourself.
Be gentle.
Thanks for watching today's video.
We hope that it helped you.
If you want to see more of us, don't forget to subscribe and then click the bell to turn on post notifications so that you don't miss a single video.
Check out our website, charismindful.net, and follow social medias in the descriptions below.
And if you have any questions, leave us a comment.
See you in the next one. Bye.